Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great on this Cast Iron Wednesday. It is SPAMTEMBER. So for the first Wednesday, I'm going to make a Polynesian Spam. And instead of using the Spam Light, I'm going to use the turkey. Instead of the green pepper, I'm going to use the red, yellow, and orange peppers. They're not hot at all. They're just like green peppers. Got a Vidalia onion, and everything's going to be cooked in the Junkyard Dawg. So should turn out pretty good. Hope so. My wife's going to take and do the taste testing, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, got all the vegetables chopped up. Got the chestnuts open. We'll see if we can let this thing out. Come on. And there it is. Alright, now the first thing we're going to cook is going to be the onions and the peppers. We're going to cook these down a little bit, and then we'll have to add the chestnuts, the Spam, and then mix it all together, let it cook for a little while, and be ready to go. Alright, you're starting to hear the onions sizzle, and the peppers are cooking down a little bit. One of the recipes I was looking when I was doing this, the lady took and recommended adding a little bit of ginger. So I'm going to add a little bit to it. Hopefully everything turns out awesome. Alright guys, now I've got the chestnuts in. Let this cook for a little bit, and then we'll take and put the Spam in and cook it for a little bit. There was another recipe where they were making something similar, and the guy was actually crunching up peanuts to put in it, but I figured we had enough nuts around here already. We don't need any peanuts, so we'll go without the peanuts. Alright, everything's in there. Supposed to sit and watch and see when it comes to a decent boil, which I already see it bubbling in a couple spots. Let it sit for a minute after it starts boiling good, and then it's ready to go. Alright guys, there she is. It is Polynesian style Spam stir fry on rice. Ready to go, and now all we got to do is taste test it. And like always, we'll see you next Wednesday.